In front of me is HONOR X7A, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this HONOR. First of all, access Themes app. Now you have a couple of available options. You can select Featured at the bottom left corner, click on Text Styles, and select one of those, or tap on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to. You can also click on Categories at the bottom, click on Font section, and select one of those, or click on Top at the bottom as well. Select Fonts and pick one of those sections, like Free. When you find the best font style for you, click on it, select Download at the bottom, and tap on Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my text has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, you can go into Themes again, but this time select Me at the bottom right corner. Then tap on My Downloads, tap on Fonts category at the top, and click on Default. Lastly, click Apply at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!